So I'm viewing a Google form in preview mode, which, by the way, is exactly the same thing that anyone else will have if you send them this Google form. And I want to change this text right here where it says read this information. If you look in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see it shows the URL that text is going to go to if they click on it. But I want to change that. So I'm going to close this down. It'll bring me back to my Google form. And if I click anywhere on this URL right here, this text, anywhere on that text, it brings up this edit button. So I can edit this, and I can put this, read this information, please. And then here's the URL, the link to it, and I'm going to have them just read the home page. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to hit OK. So I've just changed it. Now I hit the preview button right here. Brings it up like anybody else will see it. You can see I changed it to read this information, please. And again, if you hover over that URL or that text, which has a link, look in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see it goes to www.verisconsulting.com. Again, it's all right here. Click on that, hit the pencil, and I can edit it. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.